So let's get started. Open your Blender using a general project. Now drag the toolbar from top right side. Click the face builder and create a new face. So we have got a default face sculpture here. Now click on the Add Image. And select the face model images. This is the face pack I am going to use to create a 3D model. You can also download this face pack if you need it. Link in the description. After adding images, now double-click on the front face image. We can see a pinpoint layer. Now left-click the mouse button on the center of the nose and adjust it according to the image. Now left-click on the chin to set point and adjust the chin. Do the same thing for each and every things. And adjust the layer according to the image. Set as many points as possible to get a good output. There we go. We have completed the front face model now. Let's move on to the side face of the image now. Double-click on the side image. And now set pinpoints. I will just speed up the video to make it quick. There we go. We have finished the side face model also. Now let's move on to the back side of the image. Double-click on the back side image and set pinpoints. Let's start the first pinpoint from the neck. If you are a new learner, follow me or else you may ruin this layer. So after done, let's move on to the forehead of the image. There we go. Now we have completed our face model pen layer works. Now expand the texture box. And click on the Create Texture. Select all image and click OK. Boom. We have got the textures of the face model now. But we can see some black glitches in the model. Now let's fix this. Go to Texture Painting. Now we have both face model and template on each side. Use the smear brush to fix the glitches and the unidentified spots. I will just speed up the video to make it quick. Use smooth brush to fix near the eyes. And also make the skin smooth using this brush. I am gonna add some new hairstyle for this model. So I am going to texture paint the head also. There we go. So this is the one of the method of creating a face model in Blender. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to comment below the tutorials you needed. Peace.